Hey there, I'm Gurpreet Singh, your GameMaker instructor, also known as GameMaker Station on YouTube. This course is all about making a crafting game in GameMaker Studio 2. First, we are gonna learn about what GameMaker is and how everything works. And then we are gonna start making our game from the ground up. We are gonna make the player, give them a pickaxe, add breakable objects, and so on. Then we are gonna add resources, an inventory system, a crafting system, and more. You're gonna learn a lot about GameMaker through making this game. From making inventory systems to user interfaces, we'll overcome many challenges that you face while making a game. All the resources used in the game will be available for download along with the project itself. And I am always active in the community, so if you wanna ask any questions, I'll be there to answer them. So join in and I'll see you in the course.